Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews, where today we're going to have a look at the 2006, obviously discontinued, Samsung E250. For this particular model, the slider didn't work that well, but I would assume for brand new models it would have slid quite well. With a screen display of 65,000 colours and resolution of 128 by 160, used the usual SIM. It weighed only 80 grams, which was quite light for a phone in those days, and the dimensions were 99.5 by 49.5 by just over 14 millimeters. One of the big pros of this particular model was that it came fitted with a micro SD slot. Unfortunately, the internal memory was only at 10 meg. No selfie camera, but here we've got evidence of the quality capabilities of the 0.3 megapixel main camera. No LAN or GPS, of course, however it was fitted with an FM radio, USB, and was Bluetooth capable. Another bonus of this particular model, the E250, was that it was video capable. Here's some examples for the output from it. Using a 750 milliamp battery, you could have a standby time of around 240 to 250 hours and a talk time of around 5 hours. Here we have some examples, obviously, of the ringtones that were available on the Samsung E250. Messaging came in the way of EMS, email, MMS, and of course SMS. There was a WAP browser. It also had some games which were downloadable, and yes, it was Java enabled. It had predictive text, voice memo, and an organizer. Seemingly reasonably priced back in the day. Some of the pros for the E250 were the Bluetooth, as I mentioned earlier, the FM radio, and of course the micro SD card. The cons included apparently the battery life and the headphones. There was also mention of the display not being great, but in all seriousness, the display on the mobile that I had was pretty good. Hope you've enjoyed this quick review from me, Alan, at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you have, hit the like bell and subscribe, and you'll be notified when new videos come out in the future. Thanks very much.